Today we're going to do a lesson called Jackson's Math. Jackson's Math. This is a lesson that we did together, me and a student, and we were working on subtraction. And he was struggling because borrowing when you subtract is not easy for him. So we came up with a method together, and we worked on this method, and we tried it, and he really liked doing it this way. And so we decided to come up with a video to show others in case they wanted to see it. So Jackson, awesome job and awesome work. I love that you practiced so hard and you did your awesome best with me. So now we're going to do Jackson's Math. The way that you do this is first you have to have a subtraction problem. So 612 minus 158, right? Regular subtraction problem, normal. I'm going to start by showing you Jackson's Math, and then I'm going to do traditional subtraction in blue so you can see the difference, and then we'll practice a few, all right? So 2 minus 8. Can you subtract 2 minus 8? Nope, you sure can't. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at 12. We're going to make it this way. 12 minus 8. What is 12 minus 8? 12 minus 8 is 4. All right, so since 12 minus 8 is 4, you're going to put your 0 here and your 4 down here. Now let's look at the next part of my problem. 0 minus 5. Can't do it. So we're going to look at 60 minus 5. What is 60 minus 5? 60 minus 5 is 55. And my last problem is 5 minus 1 is 4. That is Jackson's Math. Now, it's basically the same thing as borrowing, but you think the problem through a little differently. If I were doing traditional subtraction, I would say 2 minus 8, you can't do. So my 1 turns to a 0, and I bring down a 1, right? 12 minus 8 is 4. 0 minus 5, you can't do. 6 turns to a 5, make that a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So it's the same exact process, but it's a different way to look at the number. Pretty cool, right? Let's try a few more practice problems. Let's try this one. Here we go. 712 minus 200, I'm sorry, let's do 742 minus 281, 89. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to come up with good ones, guys. It's kind of hard to do when you've been coming up with problems all day. Here we go. 2 minus 9. Can you subtract 2 minus 9? No. So now I'm going to look at 42 minus 9. What is 42 minus 9? $33. 42 minus 9 is 33. All right, 3 minus 8. You can't do it. All right, fine. 73 minus 8. 65. Right? 6 minus 2 is 4. That's how you do the problem. Pretty cool, right? All right, let's do another practice together. And then I want to see what you can do on your own. Let's do 983 minus 187. 983 minus 187. I use a note card to help me out, so you can do that as well. 3 minus 7. 83 minus 7. What is 83 minus 7? 83 minus 7 should be 6. So 76. So 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76. Great. 7 minus 8. You can't do. All right, fine. 97 minus 8. 89. All right, and subtract your last problem. 8 minus 1 is 7. Awesome, awesome job. That's how you do Jackson's math. So shout out to my friend Jackson. Awesome job. Please, if you have any questions on this method, please ask. It is a little tricky way. It is a little different. Not a lot of people understand this way, and that's okay. When you're doing math, the most important thing that you can do is find a way that works for you. Have a great day, guys.